Hi guys, welcome back to Chef on Two Wheels. Today I will show you how I make braised pork ribs. First we'll just take off the skin. So I just take out the skin from the back of the rib. There you go. And then we'll just cut it into small chunks. Into a pot, we'll just blanch them first. So we get some water in. So we'll just blanch our pork. And we need some spring onions. Just get some spring onions. So when you see all the impurities coming up, we'll just discard the water. So just get rid of the water. We'll make our sauce. So in our pan we'll just put some oil. Our sugar, I'm using raw sugar. If you get brown sugar, even better. That's about 5 tablespoons. So we'll just wait for it to caramelize. So it's starting to caramelize already. So at this point, we'll put in our pork. Let it coat our pork. Just be careful, not control your heat so it won't burn. So at this point, we'll add our soy sauce. That was about 3 tablespoons. And an equal amount, we'll put our dark soy sauce. And some vinegar. Now add some water. We'll put in our garlic, our star anise, our spring onions, and our ginger. Mix it up a bit. Just cover it, let it simmer. So let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So at this point, we'll take our lid off. Yeah, our pork is soft already. And then we'll just reduce our sauce so it coats our pork ribs. Here's our braised pork ribs. We'll just top it with some sesame seeds and cut up some of our spring onions. And there you have it, our braised pork ribs. Kakain na! Rice left?
Yes, please.
Okay, got some.
You wash your hand?
Not yet.
You wash your hand first.
Up. Kasi yung oyster sauce para sa gailan.
Some vegetables?
Para sa veggies.
Wow.
Kakain na. Mmm.
Nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Top.
Sarap.
Just for the gailan, the leaves.
Tender, Dad.
Nice. Good.
Sarap na, guys.
Veggies.
Mmm.
Steamed greens.
For how many minutes?
About 20 minutes.
And malambot na siya.
Yeah. Maliliit lang naman kasi yung pieces niya.
Oh my god, this is really good. When did you teach me how to cook this one, though?
Yeah. Paano may video?
And then, yeah, so that I can cook it while I made for us. No?
Work.
That is delicious. Ang lambot pati niya. Fair, malambot.
Ang ribs
Sobra.
sa dad?
Ha?
Beef ribs?
Pork. Yes, pork.
Ang sobrang. Akala ko 20 minutes is not enough. I was thinking it would be like still tough. Oh my god, it's like, na? Anong god?
Depende rin sa pork siguro yun.
Hindi na dito kasi,
Ito mga 20 minutes nun yun.
kasi di ba sometimes pinaguto ka ng pork. Di ba kahit mga 20 minutes na, 30 minutes na still matigas pa rin. Promise, malambot talaga siya. Walang biro. Kasi ganyan talaga siya. Yes.
Ribs.
10 out of 10. Oh my god, so good. Try it at home. Sarap siya, no?
Nakatang gawin sa bowl.
Oo. The sweetness and the saltiness, tama lang. Combine talagang combine na sarap.
Sticky ribs.
May braces ako pero kaya kong kainin na. Kagat ko. Kaya yung talaga promise, yung niluto ni Daddy, matinis ko talaga matigas to. Kasi sagot na ni Daddy pinakuluan, pagdating ko, papakulaan pa lang niya. So, thinking na, tana ko, matigas na, dati magluto, matigas yan. Hindi ah.
Ulo. Itong isa. Tan tan tan. Yan ang katapusan. Solve. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.